Start by grabbing a pound of ground beef. Turkey or pork can also be a great alternative if you're looking for a lighter option. Cook it over medium heat in a large skillet until it's crumbled and no longer pink. Remember to drain any excess fat. We want our sloppy joes flavorful, not greasy. Next, it's time to toss in the vegetables. Finely chopped onion and bell pepper. Give the sloppy joes a wonderful crunch and add a fresh dimension to the dish. If you're not a fan of bell peppers, feel free to skip them. Cook until the onions and peppers are soft and translucent. Stir in a cup of ketchup. For those who prefer a deeper tomato flavor, a mix of ketchup and tomato sauce can be a great alternative. Add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Adjust this based on your preference for sweetness. Follow this with a tablespoon of mustard. Yellow mustard works particularly well. Lastly, add a teaspoon of garlic powder and season with salt and pepper to taste. Once all the ingredients are in, reduce the heat and let the mixture simmer for about 10 to 20 minutes. Some like to add Worcestershire sauce for a bit of tanginess or a splash of vinegar to balance the sweetness. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.